So who said that superposition of states of particles collapse? So the concept that superposition collapse was not proposed by Erwin Schrödinger, but rather introduced and formalized by three major physicists: Werner Heisenberg in 1927, Max Born in 1926, and uh, the third is Jan von Neumann, 1932. So let's start with Werner Heisenberg. So the conceptual spark. Werner Heisenberg was the very first physicist to use the concept of wave functions reduction. In his landmark 1927 paper, introduced the uncertainty principle. He argued that when an observer makes a physical measurement, the wide range of quantum possibilities suddenly shrink or reduce to a specific definite reality. However, Heisenberg did not fully explain the exact physical mechanism behind it. So here's the Heisenberg wave functions. So this is an interactive simulation of quantum wave functions collapse, specifically illustrating the measurement problem in quantum mechanics inspired by Werner Heisenberg work in 1927. So what the image shows pre-measurement state here. The graph displays the probability density for particle suppositions. So the blue curve here is uh, spread out the wave functions, likely a Gaussian wave packet. It's relatively wide, meaning the particle does not have a definite position. It exists in the superposition of any possible position. The height of the curve at any point x tells you the probability of finding the particle there if you measure it. So right now it's delocalized across a wide range around x equals to 0. So the core concept, uh, wave function reductions collapse. This demo demonstrates what happens when you perform a measurement. So we have to click the observation here. So we have to click this one, then click again. So So the core concept here, wave function reductions collapse. This demo demonstrate what happens when you perform measurement, make observations button. So before measurement, what you see now, the particle is described by a wave function psi of x that is spread out wide range of quantum possibilities. Upon measurement, the wave function collapses or reduces to a very narrow peak, almost a spike at one random reductions. So the particle is now found at a specific position. The probability distribution changes instantly from spread out to localized. This is the famous wave functions collapse, one of the most mysterious parts of the quantum mechanics. So the if we reset the button here, so we can reset the button here. Uh, Prepares a new spread out wave functions, so you can observe the process again. We have the historical and theoretical content here in 1927. 1927 refers to the period when Heisenberg, Bohr, and others were developing the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics. Heisenberg uncertainty uh, principle is closely related. The wide wave functions in position, large uncertainty in x means low uncertainty in momentum, and vice versa. So when you measure position, you force the system into a definite state, destroying the previous uh, superposition. So why this matters? This visualization is captures the measurement problem. How and why does the smooth probabilistic wave function suddenly jump into a definite outcome when observed? So different interpretation of quantum mechanics, Copenhagen, many worlds, objective collapse, give a different answer to what's really happening.